Today, I want to give a quick walkthrough of Warp Agent CLI and some of the cool infra and features we built to make it especially useful for developers who spend their workflow end-to-end in the CLI itself. When you start the Warp Agent CLI, every single agent and the session it is being running owns the entire PTY and is a terminal session. What this means is any change to the environment itself, to the session itself, like setting an environment variable, CD into a different directory, is fully persisted throughout the agent run. To give an example, right now I'm in the wrong directory actually. I want to make some changes to our docs. I can go CD. We also build tab completion as well. So I can do docs. And this will bring me to actually our docs repo. And this is persisted not just through this one command, but to the entire session. Instead of just having a ad hoc command run, we actually have the full ability to render long-running commands as well as out-screen commands. So if I do git diff to see what are the changes are in here, I can bring up the entire out-screen within the agent terminal session, and I can just view it as if I'm in a native terminal. So I think this changes looks good to me. I could do git add, git commit, and this entire thing will be rendered again in the out screen. I can just use Vim natively within this window, add environment variable, and I can use a terminal agent here. Just say, help me finish this commit message. For the fun of it, let's see if the agent can do it. Okay, it's able to look at the actual content of the code and actually dispatch the right set of commits and override my message completely, which is totally fine by me. So next I want to show the ability to even use SSH. So the way I would think about our entire CLI itself is I won't think about it as like an ad hoc run in your existing terminal session. It's more functioning as a terminal multiplexer where you can dispatch any sessions within it. So I could totally do things like SSH into a different dev box. And because it owns a PTY end-to-end and it has its own sessions model, I will start a new session within this remote dev box, actually. I have everything ready now. So I can run ls. I'll go to docs. Let's say I want to actually make some changes in this remote environment. I'll just say, hey, can you add build by work at the start of our agent CLI documentation? So I can invoke the agent here. And because of the persistence, it's going to run all of these commands and operate within this remote environment. So now it's done. You can see that it ran some commands, it found the right file, and makes the edit in the file I actually wanted to. I could just run git diff here just to confirm. Yeah, perfect. That's what I want. So I think a couple cool things about the agent CLI is, one, you don't really have to worry about whether you're starting your CLI in the right repo or in the right file system or even the right local machine. You can always just easily switch between different contexts as you go. The other thing that's really cool is you don't really need to worry about it whether you're running a command in the CLI or not. You can run anything like a long-running command or an out-screen command, and it should work exactly like out of the box with a native terminal. So yeah, this is some cool stuff that we build with our CLI on top of our state-of-the-art agent. Give it a try.